Peekaboo. Baby guy, do you always have to steal the show?
And I got a bird.
Who are you? What? Who are you?
Here I am.
There you are.
Hi again. No.
Hi.
Me.
What? No, I'm busy finding Yum Doll. Come on, Thomas. Wanna go give Yum Doll a kiss?
No.
Why?
Daddy.
Do you like her? What? Yeah, there you are. Do you mind? You can't see your... You draw it on your panties. Yes. Yes, there you are.
Oh no.
Oh no, now what?
What have I done?
Hey, you know, I am trying to film Yoma, baby guy.
What? What?
Could you maybe excuse me so I can see Yoma Doll?
No.